Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'm a financial analyst and I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Today, I want to know why you are not doing these side hustles. I have 5 side hustles for you that are going to make you some extra cash. They could even evolve into a side business. So let's get started with number 1. Number 1 is buy and sell domain names. So buying and selling a domain name is just a URL that a company wants that you particularly own, and you can sell it to them for however much, they'll pay for it, but pricing it within reason. So let's check out some of the websites that you can go to be a domain buyer and seller. Number 1 is GoDaddy. Number 2 is Bluehost. Number 3 is namecheap.com. Number 4 is domain.com. And number 5 is Squarespace. So these are just the top 5. They're the most popular for domain buying and selling, and you can jump on there and just see what domains are available that you think will be popular. Do a little research first on each particular domain. This is a really easy and lucrative side hustle. So if you are thinking, I want to do a side hustle where I don't have to leave my house, I don't have to show my face, I don't have to be on a Zoom or whatever the case is. This is a side hustle that is just you and your computer. There's no phone, there's nothing. Just a side hustle that's simple, that you can do. This is how you make money online. Second side hustle is gardening, a gardening business. So this is if you like gardening. You could own a gardening business. What you would do is say you are a good landscaper for, the front of someone's yard, or just putting together a vegetable garden for somebody. This is a really good business because you can get out of the house, you can get your hands into what you love to do. And a lot of people want their front yards to look nice, but they don't want to do it themselves. And if you're thinking, well, I need somebody to help me, I can't do all that heavy lifting, if that's what it takes for that one client, then just hire a gardening helper or like a subcontractor to kind of help you along the way and be your second person when you need it. This is a really fun business. One of my friends owns a gardening business, and what she does is she just does the flowers in front of people's houses for the spring. She gets a lot of calls and she kind of says, well, what kind of flowers do you like? These are the flowers that would look good or that would last through the spring and the summer. And then she plants them all, and then she's on to the next house. And this is just something that she can do as a side business on the weekends. Number 3 is resume writing. With a lot of people switching jobs and moving from company to company, resume writing is really lucrative. I would start by using an AI tool. If you're not that good of a writer in that person's particular niche, then the AI tool will help you out, help you to get their resume sharp and get some eyes on it so that employers can look at your clients. These are the ones that are the top resume writing AI tools to help you out with your resume writing business. MyPerfectResume.com, Resume.io, Rezi, so that's REZI. Road Skills, this is a membership, so it's $10 a month. Resume Now, which is only $3.25 a month. Zeddy, which is the cheapest one, it's $2.70 a month. So all of these AI writing tools, resume writing tools, are going to help you get started, get the templates down, kind of get all the wording straight and what employers in that industry are looking for, so you can highlight that on your clients' resumes. Number 4, I had never heard of it until I was researching it for this video, but it is AI training. So AI has exploded in the last year, but it needs to be trained. So sort of like ChatGPT pulls information from the internet that's already there, that was put there by us, real people. This AI needs you to train it so that it can be sharper for when a real person needs to use it. You can also use Remotask or data annotation for your resume writing. On to number 5. Number 5, this is my last one, and it is be a blogger, like a blogger that makes real money. They make money in 5 main ways. Number 1 is to sell ad space on their website. Number 2 is through affiliate marketing. Number 3 is they're selling their own products, like their own merchandise that they physically ship out to you, the reader of their blog. Number 4 is they're selling digital products or a service. And then the last way they make money is through brand sponsorships. So brand is sponsoring them to write this blog on the product. So those are the 5 main ways that bloggers make money. So if you want to be a blogger, your first thing you need to do is set up a blog and figure out how you want to make money from your blog first. Most people go the AdSense route because it is easier and it is the least amount of money, but it just depends on the traffic of your blog. But bloggers make a good amount of money and it's nothing to sneeze at. It is a side hustle starting out. So if you want to be a blogger, if you're good at writing, if you like taking photos and you like that sort of thing, that would be side hustle number 5. So I hope these tips have helped you guys out. I hope that you'll do one of these 5 side hustles. If you're looking for a side hustle to do right now, let me know down in the comments which of these 5 is the best one or the one that you would try. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like content like this. I will see you guys next time. Bye.